So, the secret to dry brush painting that will make all the difference in how your final product looks is most people tell you just put a tiny bit of paint on the end of the bristles of the brush. You want to get your whole brush saturated in paint beforehand. Wipe most of it off, and then, as you can see here, the harder you wipe on your project, the more paint that comes off because there's paint on the inside bristles, the tiny bristles, the hidden bristles. And then pressing hard also allows you to get into the wood grain and any spots that are depressed from the surface of the area. And it makes all the difference in how authentic your piece looks instead of hand, just so each swipe is just looks too manufactured. This way, it really brings out the authenticity of the piece, all of the little indents and age and character that it has. You can really see with this piece. As you can see, it's taking a minute for my brush to come back. That's because I was filling it with paint and then wiping the brush for quite a few swipes onto cardboard before I brought it up there with just some paint left on the inner bristles of the brush. So I can really use my strength to get the paint from the inside of the brush onto the piece. If you use this method with your dry brush painting, really your pieces will come out amazing.